In this video, you'll learn how to create and configure a Ninja form in WordPress. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to install the plugin, create a form, adjust its settings, and embed it into your website effectively. Start by installing the Ninja Forms plugin. First, navigate to the plugins section on your WordPress dashboard, located on the left sidebar. Once there, click on Add New at the top of the page. In the search bar that appears, type Ninja Forms and hit Enter. After the search results load, find the Ninja Forms plugin, click the Install Now button, and once the installation is complete, click Activate to enable the plugin. Next, you will create a form from the WordPress dashboard. Locate the Ninja Forms option in the left sidebar and click on it. This will take you to the Ninja Forms management screen. Click on the Add New button to start creating your form. You will see several template options such as blank or contact. Choose a template that fits your needs. After selecting a template, you can add fields to your form by dragging and dropping elements like name, email, and message from the left panel to the form area. Once you have arranged your fields as desired, click the Publish button to save your form. After publishing your form, it's important to configure the form settings. Click on Emails and Actions in the Form Builder interface. Here you can set up the email confirmation to determine who will receive the submissions. You should input the email addresses of the recipients in the designated field. Additionally, you can customize the success message, which is what users will see after they submit the form. If you need to redirect users to a different page after submission, this option is also available in the same settings area. Now, you can embed the form onto your website. To do this, navigate to the page or post where you want to add the form. Click on Edit to open the block editor. In the editor, click on Add Block and search for Ninja Forms. Select the appropriate form from the list that appears. Alternatively, you can use a shortcode to embed the form. Simply type Ninja_form ID =1 with the actual ID of your form. Once you've embedded the form, click Update or Publish to save your changes to the page. That completes the process of creating and configuring a Ninja form in WordPress. You can now view the form on your website and test its functionality to ensure it works as expected. It's important to monitor submissions and make any necessary adjustments to your form settings based on user feedback. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.